Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and I don't know if you're clumsy like me and drop your phone pretty much all the time, but this is essential for me. I love that this tempered glass keeps it nice and safe. It keeps it from getting scratches. It actually has a privacy screen on it, so I can't look at my phone from the side, so no one else can look at my messages, but I also am not tempted to look at my phone when I really shouldn't be. So you have the screen, you have the lifters, and you have the hinges, and then it also comes with a little dust catcher and a cloth as well as a sanitary wipe. So you wipe it down, then you wipe it with the cloth to make sure it's nice and dry, and then you lift off any excess dust with the dust lifter. The installation of this was super easy. I am really impressed with how far we've gotten with these screen protectors. It used to be such a pain and there used to always be so much bubbling, but the application of this is so simple. So once you push it down, it just starts sealing itself. And once it's on there, it's on there. So you don't have to worry about this going and lifting on you. It's so easy. You have no fingerprints all over, no dust all over. I also love that it came with two of them. So if I messed up really, really bad the first time, I have another chance. Or if I have another phone, then I have two for the price of one. I am very impressed with this tempered glass from JETech, and that is my point of view.